In this video, I will be showing you how to access config.php file from WordPress dashboard. So let's start the process. In the WordPress dashboard, go to the plugins page. And next, in the search bar, type and search for WP File Manager plugin. And next, install and activate the plugin. Next, in the left of the screen, you can see File Manager tab. Click and open it. You will find the config.php file on the right side of the screen. When you right-click on the config.php file and open it, a copy of the file gets downloaded to the computer, from which we can view all the WordPress site settings and database-related information. With this we come to the end of this video. Please like, comment on my video if it was helpful, and subscribe to my channel to get updates when we add more content.